Wheezing is not a strange problem. It becomes more and more popular nowadays. It can affect children. Therefore, most people want to know natural home remedies for wheezing in children. Wheezing is a sound made while you are breathing, and this condition usually occurs in children. In most cases, patients wheeze when they breathe out, expiration, but sometimes it occurs when patients breathe in, inspiration. Wheezing results from the narrow airways and makes you breathe difficultly. The narrow airways might cause physical obstruction, allergic reaction, infection, asthma, tumor, and some reasons of wheezing are asthma, allergies, bronchitis, cough, etc. But the most common cause of wheezing is asthma. Wheezing is also one of unwanted side effects of certain medications and drugs. Other health conditions such as heart failure, foreign objects inhaled, pneumonia, respiratory tract infection, respiratory syncytial virus, vocal cord dysfunction, and sleep apnea may increase the risk of wheezing. Parents always protect their children from the smoking environment as the protection against wheezing. This is because inhaling smoke directly or indirectly results in wheezing. Here are top 3 natural home remedies for wheezing you are finding out. 1. Moisturize the air. If you or your children suffer from wheezing, sitting in the dry air may worsen the problems. Therefore, you can ease wheezing by moisturizing the air. It is recommended using a humidifier in your bedroom or taking a steamy shower to relieve wheezing. If your child gets diagnosed with wheezing and is not comfortable, you can let your child sit in a bathroom while running a hot water. Make sure that you keep the door closed to prevent the steam from escaping. Moist air is a great treatment for wheezing. Moisturizing the air is among the most amazingly wonderful home remedies for wheezing. Try it yourself. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are well known for antibacterial properties and high omega-3 fatty acid content. Therefore, asking for the natural home remedies for wheezing in children, we cannot skip flax seeds. If you and your child are vulnerable to wheezing and coughing, then you should consume flax seeds regularly. Can help to reduce the occurrence of these health problems. Here are the ways you can reduce the symptoms of wheezing in children with flax seeds. Consume 1 teaspoon of flax seed oil every day until you get the satisfactory result. Chew a half teaspoon of flax seeds once a day for a few days. Taking flax seed treatment does not give you the immediate result like over-the-counter or prescribed medications for wheezing. However, these medications may result in unwanted side effects. Some antibiotics or medications may affect the normal development of children. Being a mother, you may not want to let children take these antibiotics or medications. 3. Ginkgo biloba. This is also one of the best home remedies for wheezing that everyone should not skip for many reasons. You may not know about ginkgo biloba, but it has been used for ages as the effective remedies for a plenty of health problems. Many people living in the United States use this herb. Studies and researches have proved many amazing benefits of ginkgo biloba. One of the benefits of ginkgo biloba I would like to mention in this article is a cure for wheezing. Drinking ginkgo biloba daily can help to boost the function of lungs and control the symptoms of wheezing. Here is the way you can treat wheezing effectively with the help of ginkgo biloba. Put ginkgo biloba in a pot filled with the boiling water. Steep it for a few minutes. Let it cool down before drinking. If you want the symptoms and discomforts of wheezing disappear completely, you should drink this ginkgo biloba tea several times daily for a couple of weeks. Ginkgo biloba can be taken in form of tablet. However, to make sure that you know how much ginkgo biloba tablet you can take daily and ensure it is safe for you, you should consult your doctor carefully.